Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and we are going to talk about a new subscription box that I got. It's one that's been out. It's called Boxy Charm. I'm super excited to get it because it is makeup, it's skincare, cosmetics, and they started adding some lifestyle stuff that I've seen other people get. This is my first box, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So, like I said, Boxy Charm, really cute, only $25 a month, and it's all full size stuff, which that's what I really like. That's one thing I don't like about some of the other subscription boxes, and that's why I haven't done them, is because they were trial sizes. I want a full size. I'm sorry. So because it's January, the theme is fresh starts. There are 5 things on the card. There's actually more in here, and I'm not sure if that was just a promo that we got and we didn't realize we got. But either way, I'm happy. New stuff to play with. Can't wait. So this first thing I got, this is actually a new, this is not on the list. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. So it's anti-aging, and take that out of the box real quick. Really cute. And it is like super creamy. So we'll take, you guys can kind of see it that way. Takes like just a little bit. I have makeup on, so I'm not going to put it on, but it feels really good. I can't, like, I'm excited to like put it on my eyes at night, and it is a mask. I did already read the instructions, and if I remember it, you can put it on and leave it on all night. So literally take off my makeup for the day, wash my face, all that, put this on, go to bed, and get rid of the little lines that are going to come from getting older. Or honestly, my mom's probably going to steal this one, because I am actually sharing the box. I think that's actually a great idea at first, is if you have somebody that's also interested, like, share the box, because there might be stuff in there that you don't want, they don't want, like, you guys can split the stuff. The other thing I got was Bali Balm, sweet orange and coconut lip balm. I don't know what is up with this not being able to see. I know it's not professional, but I'm going to switch. No. Okay, we'll just try to dim this a little bit. There we go. You can see it a little bit better. So this is actually really cool. Bali Balm. I actually like this because it is sweet orange and coconut, and it's all natural. It contains nut oil, but coconut oil, like, there's really no, like, stuff that I don't know. Now, it doesn't say organic, so it is not organic. I usually try to go after organic stuff. But take a little bit and put it on my lips. And I can smell. Oh, got a little taste of it. It's really good. It feels really nice. Does give me a little bit of a little tiny sheen. It is vegan. I usually go after other lip balm brands, but because this one is a little bit natural like the other ones that I do go after some other natural ones. We won't say the names. I'm actually going to definitely keep this one for myself. We also got And by the way, the Bali Balm is on the list. This is $33. So again, excited to try it. But $33 is a lot for lip balm. You know, I'm just saying. But I like it. This was not on the list, or actually, this was on the list. Okay, so this is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. So gives you 2 shades right here. Shimmer and Sparkle. They feel really great on my skin. Well, we're going to take some of the shimmer and try to, and then take some of the sparkle. Really hard to do this with them. I mean, obviously I did it with my hands, but actually still also excited about this to play around with this. This is also $33. Next we have Dr. Brandt DNA Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So this is actually supposed to help with dark circles, fine lines, all the stuff we don't like around our eyes. So here it is right here. Again, I have makeup on. I'm not going to put it on my eyes, but we'll take a little bit. That feels nice, like feels, and it smells, got like a, I don't know what that smell, like it just feels like nice and clean, like it smells good. I wonder what that smell is actually from. But either way, yeah, good for all skin types. Says apply day or night. That is, this is $82. So next we have, and I'm probably gonna butcher the name, Ciate, the Velvet Palette. So this is a nice eyeshadow palette. I have to admit, guys, like, I'm actually really excited that a lot of things are starting to say vegan, cruelty-free, just because that makes me feel better. Really pretty kind of dusty rose color. Let's see. Ooh. Look at this. So nice big mirror. And look at the shades, like, kind of metallic. Some matte shades. We'll just kind of, oh, this feels like really nice. That's this one right here. Oh, that feels so good. We'll try. I like that. Probably should be using a brush, but some of my other videos, not bad. Really cool. Me and my mom might fight over this one. I just got a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes, which you guys saw from my other video. So this is $30. But yeah, that, like, it feels good. Like, nice and creamy. Excited. Alright. So, get this back in the thing. I don't want it to get messed up. Okay, so last but not least, Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. This was on the list. And it's nice and heavy. Ooh. It's a glass bottle. Was super excited. So I definitely like using a pore cleaning toner, kind of get, you know, all the makeup and stuff off. So super, super excited to use this. This is $28. And it has papaya, so I'm wondering. No, I just more smell like the typical toner smell. But really, really excited about what I got. And it's definitely more than $25. I don't have my phone near me, of course. But you figure, so eyeshadow palette was $30. The toner's $28. So right there you got $58, and that's just 2 items. So right there you've doubled your money. Laura Geller, this right here is $33. So that's what, 81, 91. I am really bad at math. I'm not going to keep adding. So $33 for this. And then the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Peptide Eye Cream was $82. And then the Bali Balm lip balm was $33. Those were what was on the card and came with. But of course, this right here came as well, the eye mask. So more than double money's worth with everything I got. This will come monthly. So super excited. I will unbox every single month so you guys can see what they are. I'm just really excited. I love that it's not just makeup, it's skincare stuff. Which I like playing with. I mean, you know, it's just what I like. So I am glad you guys got it. If you guys get this box too, like, what was your favorite thing? What are you most excited about in the box this month to try? I really don't know. I think it's sad to say it, but I'm kind of really more excited about the toner just because I like having stuff to clean the makeup off after a long day, make sure my face is nice and clean, and not, you know, have to worry about all the stuff sitting on my face. So yeah, that is the Boxy Charm. Super excited. Can't wait for more. And let me know in the comments what you think. Have a magical night. Hakuna Matata.